Office door needs adjusting. Also, office door has some gaps in the panes that are pretty significant. Hall closet adjusts door jamb in order that there's no gap between the jamb and the floor. Missing mortar around fireplace at the base of the floor. This is already marked, but the wood beams next to the back door need to be sealed. Caulk crown molding above landing in the kitchen in the corner where the refrigerator would go. Ask the builder about this. This is the pantry door area. See where they have stopped the quarter round, and then you can see the gaps underneath the door jamb, the trim. See if they can continue the quarter round, or at least put some clear caulking. That's if you guys feel it's necessary. Kitchen vent hood screen is damaged. Caulked the trim above the cabinetry above the stove here at the corner. Cabinet to the left of the dishwasher is chipped and damaged in the back where there is a plate. Master bedroom door lock plate just needs some, looks like paint or wood filler. This is right on the inside of the master bedroom. Another question about whether they should continue the quarter round or at least put some type of silicone or clear caulk. It's up to you. Master bedroom right window seal just needs to do a little bit better job. Also, right on the inside of the seal of the right window needs some caulking, tape and bed. Window seal in the master owner's retreat bathroom needs some paint, some caulk, maybe even some tape and bed. Left owner's retreat faucet does not hold water. It seeps out. Just needs to be adjusted. Missing lampshade over the right owner's retreat sink. The second lampshade is missing. Master closet shelf to the left of the window just needs some caulking. Owner's retreat closet to the left of the door, top left door jamb needs some caulking, probably on the right as well. This is the laundry room, right when you walk in to the left, I'd say about 6 feet up. you can see a little swell of patchwork that needs to be redone. Again, the door jamb leading to the garage, both areas could use some caulking. I won't point this out in any of the other rooms, just make a note to check all of them. Doorknob handle to the garage missing. Also could use some paint touch-up. There's some tape around the tubing above the hot water heater that either needs to be trimmed off or redone. Don't think it's a big problem, just cosmetic. The two-car bay garage door on the left has more daylight and a gap between it than the rest. Just have them adjust the garage door. The water shut-off casing in the garage just needs some adjusting. It's crooked. Remove the several wasp nests that are in the venting as well as on the patio ceiling throughout the whole patio. Just have them look for them all to remove them. Make a note to wash all exterior windows, which I'm sure they're going to do. This one's pooped up pretty bad. Although you will have some chipping and imperfection in concrete on the patio, there are some spaces I feel that they can fill in that have chipped off pretty good here on the back porch area. The trim across the back patio fireplace, there is a significant gap at the eave. Would like to see them take care of that. To the left of the back door, leading outside the patio or inside back into the house, you see that there are some mortar failures already here in the brick. If they can take care of that and add some additional mortar. The guest half bath door does not latch. Listen for it. I am in the media/game room. I'm not sure if there is any padding underneath this or if they didn't level it properly. When you get here, walk this space. I don't see any separation, but I definitely hear maybe even some bubbles. I had to take my shoes off. It's not in every area, but it's closest to this wall coming from the middle of the room. Shared full bath hardware, loose, all of them. Very first bedroom on the front of the house, when you come down the hall and make a right, the door does not latch. Door does not latch. Doors stop on the very The doorstop in the guest bedroom on the front of the house that has the double doors needs to be adjusted because it is missing it. Remove dead bushes and replace. Overall, on the exterior, it just needs to have a good sweep and cleaning of all the cobwebs, um, all of the wasp nests, and to clean the inside of each window sill where the home has been sitting. There are several bugs, lots of dirt caked up in between the window sill, um, of every window. So